Welcome to Faris Academy's Python programming series. In this journey, you'll go from absolute beginner to confident Python programmer. Each episode focuses on one essential topic, packed with real examples and practical insights. Whether you're learning for school, career, or just curiosity, you're in the right place. Functions and code organization. In this section, we'll learn how to define and use functions in Python. Functions help organize code and make it reusable, improving clarity and maintainability. Defining functions. To define a function, use the def keyword, followed by the function name and parentheses. Add a colon and indent the block to write what the function does. Calling functions. You run a function by calling it with parentheses. For example, greet open and close parentheses will execute the greet function. Parameters and arguments. Functions can take inputs. These inputs are called parameters, and the values you pass are called arguments. This allows you to make functions flexible and powerful. Return values. You can use the return keyword to send data back from a function. For instance, a function that adds two numbers can return the result. Organizing code into files. To keep code clean, you can place functions in different Python files and import them. This modularity allows for better project structure and reuse. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Faris Academy and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.